Hello guys, and welcome back to another video from M&M Crypto and Finance. Really looking forward to this one. So as the title suggests, we're going to be talking about 5 high potential projects over the next coming months and potentially a year. Okay, so let's just dive straight into it. All of these projects, keep in mind, have huge potential with fantastic fundamentals, great tech, a solid team, and in my personal humble opinion, a lot of these projects have the potential to make a lot of people very, very wealthy. But keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. These picks should be seen as educational only, and please do your own research. I'm going to point you towards these projects. Make sure that you go and do your own research in relation to these projects, and then make your own financial decisions that way. Please don't rely on what I'm saying to you to make those decisions. Okay? And obviously keep in mind that the market is extremely volatile, so no one really knows what's going to happen, but we can only make our own opinions on what we think is going to happen, obviously. So again, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, please smash that like button, as it helps the content to be seen by like-minded individuals. And if you've not yet, please subscribe, as it's really going to help the channel out in the long run, because we are going to be around for a long time. We're looking forward to creating daily content for years and years and years to come. All right, so to begin with, on my screen, you can see BTC down to 39,235, as you can see just here. I don't know if you can see my mouse moving. Obviously, it was down to around just below almost 38.5, down from around 48 on the 30th of March, 1st of April. 31st, 1st. Around that time, we were sitting around 47,000, almost at 48,000. We've come down quite substantially. I think it's like a 15%, maybe even 20% move downwards. I wouldn't overly worry too much about it. I think in the long run, obviously, we're all bullish on Bitcoin. But obviously, as Bitcoin comes down, it drags the entire market down with it. And as you can see, I mean, if you check on CoinGecko, you can see the whole market is red. I mean, you do have some shades of green here and there, but the majority of the market is red, with the market cap now sitting below $2 trillion again. So let's dive straight into it. Coin number 1 that I want to talk about is Cornucopia. All right. So this has the potential, in my humble opinion, again, to absolutely, let me spread this out for you so you can have a look at the entire, highs here of 0.07, so 7 cents. So as I said, in my humble opinion, again, all of this is just opinion. I think it has the potential to skyrocket. I think the right metaverse or the right play to earn game is going to do really, really well. I really like the project and the people, and people obviously should do your own research in relation to it. But I think the right metaverse play, I think that everyone should be involved in the metaverse in some capacity, and I do think the right metaverse play is going to absolutely boom. No one can say which play is best, but I do think it has the potential to. So quickly read here, Cornucopias. Cornucopia, otherwise known as the Island, is a massive play to earn, build to earn, and learn to earn blockchain based game where players can be rewarded with and their own land, properties, and other NFT based assets with real world value. All we're playing the game in a fun and safe metaverse. So I think down here it has a team here. I'm not going to go through everyone. The main co-founder, the two co-founders being Robert Gregg and Josh Jones. I've gone through them. There's 4 of them, but those are the 2 main guys. And then obviously you've got the advisors, CEOs, etc., etc., etc. You can have a look through that. As I said, you will need to go onto the website, which is cornucopias.io. Okay, have a look at their website, read through what they've got going on. All right, moving on to the next potential. PolySwarm down 6.3% today. Market cap sitting around $52.6 million. PolySwarm, a very unique use case, solid team, solid tech, and I expect this to do really, really well. It was listed on Coinbase and run up to around 0.13 cents at one point. Let's just spread this out here. Yeah, you can see it was a little bit higher than 0.13. Yeah, it went up to about 0.16 there, as I can see. So 0.16, obviously a couple of my friends were very happy when I pointed that out to them. I made a lot of money. I think I was calling it out around here, 0.01. I think I might even call it a half a cent around this area anyway. So if you do want to get involved in that, drop a message in the comments and I can add you to that group. However, yeah, so obviously people made a lot of money on that one. It was listed on Coinbase and run up to around 0.16, so we can see a couple of my friends made a lot of money. So you're asking, what is it, right? So they detect and respond to new and emergency malware faster. They produce specialist development and engines to protect against the latest threats. Now, if you don't know what that means, jump onto their website here, PolySwarm.io. As you can see here, detect and respond to new and emerging malware faster. PolySwarm is a launchpad for the new technology and innovative threat detection methods that compete to protect you in real time. And I was about to say they specialized engines to protect against the latest threats. So have a read through their website, and I think you can find the team. Where's the team? I believe it's, yeah, you'll have to work through the website and have a look. But obviously, before you jump into any of these projects I'm talking about, do your own research. Okay, moving on. Project number 3 is Charlie 3. This is another project that I expect to do really well. It's up at the minute. No, it's not. It's down at the minute. It was up when I put this together. Yeah, it was up about 6.3% a couple of days ago. Obviously now down 11.1 as the whole market is moving downwards, just below 3 cents. I wouldn't suggest to just jump in and FOMO into this right now. And they do have an NFT collection, which I do own a couple of, which I would suggest you look into. It is on the Cardano ecosystem. They call themselves Cardano's decentralized oracle, as you will find out here. And you can see the team is here, and you can click learn more here on charlie3.io. Make sure you use the right website, and you can learn about what the team's got going on. This is a team, and everything they've got coming up as well. I really do like the project, and it seems like a solid and definitely one that you should do your own research on. I think the team's very experienced, and it has a lot of potential in the future to massively, massively run up. I do believe in Charlie 3 quite heavily. Okay, coin pick number 4 is one that I have been in for quite a while, maybe about 9 months. I think I got in initially at under 80 cents, so I got in a great buy point. Huge potential. So I don't think that Joe has the potential to 20, 50, or 100x as the first 3 picks do. They have a lot more potential. Obviously, they're a lot high risk. Okay, I think getting into Joe anything under $1 I know it's only 1.05 at the minute. Even under 90 cents is a fantastic point to get into. I'm not going to give you price predictions. If you do want price predictions, you need to message me or comment, and I can add you to a special group I've got. It is a paid group. I will make you aware of that. But a lot of people on there are making a lot of money and are very happy. However, I'm not going to give you price predictions on here, as I said, but I do think Joe is going to run up quite substantially, especially if you're getting under $1. I think that's a fantastic buy point. As I said, 90 cents being better. I mean, obviously, without being stupid, the lower the better. Trader Joe is a DEX, meaning decentralized exchange. It's relatively new, less than a year old, if I'm not wrong on that. It is on the Avalanche blockchain as a DEX, and that is exactly the same as your Uniswaps for ETH or PancakeSwap. Okay, it's very easy to use. I do think that people remember that this is not financial advice. As I said, anything under $1 is a fantastic buy point, in my humble opinion. Please do your own research. Right. And the last one is going to be, of course, the man, the myth, the XRP. XRP is something I've been in for maybe 2 years. I think I got in initially at about 18 to 20 cents, maybe a little bit lower than 18 cents, maybe 15 cents. I own quite a bit of XRP, talking about in the thousands, not quite hundreds of thousands, but in the thousands, high thousands. XRP. obviously got a lot going on right now, so let's quickly run through it. I did make a video 2 days ago about the massive momentum swing for XRP in their case against the SEC. Have a look at that from 2 days ago, and you can watch that. XRP is sitting at around 73, 74 cents, as we can see there. If, and it's a big if, XRP wins the case, whenever that may be, the price will go parabolic. And I have to tell everyone this. XRP is one that you're not going to get quick gains on or turn around quick money. However, it is something that if you hold for years to come, I do believe, maybe not years, months, depending on when the SEC and the XRP case finishes, which I do think XRP is going to win, we will see a parabolic move for that price. And I will add this in, just a side note, please take no notice of certain YouTubers such as BitBoy who talk about, I've seen multiple videos of the case is going to be over next week, the case is going to be over within 24 hours, the case is going to be over within 3 weeks. It's not going to happen. We need to be realistic. We need to look at the case. We need to monitor the case. We need to keep up with what's going on in the case. And I assure you it's going to be months yet to come. However, I do think if you get in slowly over time, I think it's going to be a fantastic buy point. Even at 75 cents, I think it's a great buy point. Anyway, I will add, if you do want to watch any more on that video, please go back 2 days ago. I do have a video there which you can watch in relation to the XRP price. Obviously, you can see it came above $3 here. Yeah, so that's it for today. Those are the 5 picks. I think they're fantastic picks. Just quickly, this is our Instagram. We've just started this, as we have the YouTube channel. We do put things together. I mean, you can see here what's happened this week. We'll just go through it. This is something I put out, I think it was 3 days ago. Just quickly flick through these for you. So you can see we are very active on here. We do a post a day, a YouTube video a day. That's the aim. Please, guys, do me a massive, massive favor. Follow us on Instagram, subscribe to the YouTube, and hit that like button. It means so much to the channel. All right, guys, thanks very much. Have a great day. See you later.